Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Slack workspace. So let's get started. Start by logging into your Slack account. Once logged in, click on your profile name or picture at the top right corner of the screen to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Profile, then click on these three dots and Account Settings. In the Profile or Account Settings section, look for an option related to account deactivation. Deactivate your account means you will no longer need your workspace. It's like leaving a workspace. Slack don't have a built-in leaving option, so you can deactivate your specific workspace and any other Slack workspace you belong will not be affected. So click on deactivate your account, then Slack will prompt you to confirm the account deletion. Select yes after confirming Slack will deactivate your account. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.